This is my prickly pear cactus plant. You can clearly see where deer have really torn at it this winter. But I've got lots of new little babies coming out. So I want to put a little fence around it to protect it. Here's one of my quickly made split bamboo fencing panels, kind of a mini cattle panel. You can make it as big as you want. You can make it smaller if you're just wanting to protect some trees. I'm using baling twine to connect these, and I just have a loose connection here, so there's still some flex here, so I can kind of move the poles about a little bit. But I'm going to connect these up to protect my cactus. Can easily take these off and apply them to something else. So they're very useful. If you want not to have the sliding, you can simply cut in a little indentation so that when you tie it with the baling twine, it will be held in place more firmly. I'm not a Boy Scout with knots. I know there's plenty of ways to do lashings, but this is a simple way that I've read about. So this is what I do. I fold my string over, creating a loop, put a loop through here, and bring both pieces of baler twine through there. That takes care of that diagonal. Then I can simply wrap both sides underneath, come around, tie a double box knot here, sometimes add a third knot just to make sure. To give this structure and to keep it from blowing away in very serious winds, I drove this piece of bamboo in the ground, and everything is kind of tied into it, so that gives it more support. Well, here, hopefully I've got it protected, at least until these smaller pads grow fully. May just be a problem during the winter when deer are hard up for food. But anyhow, this is temporary protection. As I said, you could wrap, if you need more, you could either put some fishing line across here, that deters deer, or some nylon mesh. Now the good part of this is when I no longer want to use it to protect the cactus, I could take these panels apart, move them to some other plant or some other use. Could even make a shade structure out of these. So just very versatile use of my bamboo.